Now, welcome to our Puzzle 1 tutorial. Now, with this particular question, we can see that the limit is approaching infinity. Now, the moment you substitute infinity into this equation, everything will tend to infinity. Yes, so in our previous video, we talked about how we can deal with the limit when it's approaching infinity. What we do is that we will check the highest exponent of the variable. Please make sure that you subscribe to my channel so that YouTube can promote our video. Yes. Now, you look for the highest exponent of variable. Looking at this one, the highest exponent of variable is x exponent 3. So I explained two methods you can use to solve this one. You factorize the x exponent 3 out. Yes. Now, when you factorize it out, it will divide all of them, or you use the highest exponent to divide all the terms. It's the same thing. Yeah, so I'm going to use the x exponent to divide all the terms. I'm going to get lim of x approaching infinity. So I'm going to get the 3x exponent 3. I'm going to divide this one by the highest exponent. Then I will divide this one too by the highest exponent. Then we divide the last one by the highest exponent. Now divided by, we do the same thing to the denominator. We divide this one by the highest exponent. We divide this one by the highest exponent. Now the rest is cancellation before you do a substitution. So you have lim of x approaching infinity will give us now x exponent 2 cancel exponent 2, so we're going to get 3 here. S exponent 2 and s exponent 3. You see, this one will cancel 2 of this one, so we're going to get s. So we have 4 over x plus 8 over x exponent 3. Now at the denominator, this and this will cancel, so we have 7 here plus s exponent 3 will cancel. 2 of this one will cancel 2 of the s exponent 3, so we're going to get 4 over x. Now, since x is approaching infinity, we put the limit inside the equation. Now, when we put the limit inside the equation, we have x here, x here. Now, 4 over infinity will appear approaching 0 as we discussed in the previous video. So, you're going to get 3 divided by 4 over infinity. Where you see s, you put the infinity sign there. Plus 4 over infinity exponent 3. Now divided by 7 plus 4 over infinity. So what does it mean? So you're going to get 3 minus 4 over infinity will give us 0. The number dividing 4 by a huge number, the number will be approaching 0. So 0 plus the same thing, 0 divided by 7 plus what? 0. So what will be the final answer? 3 minus 0 plus 0 will give us 3. 7 plus 0 will give us 7. So this is the simple answer to this particular question. Yes.